Hi everyone, I'm making this special video to announce several important changes to the channel. You may have already noticed its new name. Knives and Steels is now KNS Outdoor. The visual identity will also evolve gradually over the next few months. Before explaining what's changing, I'd like to briefly explain the reasons behind this decision. I launched Knives and Steels in March 2021. I was fortunate enough to quickly build a large audience and gain many subscribers during the first few years, but despite all my efforts to offer polished, high-quality videos, the audience has gradually declined. This phenomenon isn't unique to my channel. Competition has become extremely fierce on video platforms. There's an ever-increasing amount of content, and viewing habits are constantly changing. Short formats now dominate, making it harder for longer, more elaborate videos to stand out. For my part, I've always placed great importance on production. Filming with high-performance equipment, paying close attention to image quality, color grading, editing, narration, and sound requires a significant investment of time and effort. I enjoy producing my videos this way and intend to continue doing so. However, after several years dedicated almost exclusively to knives, I feel the need to broaden the channel's scope. The world of knives remains a passion and will of course continue to have its place here. I will continue to create presentations, themed selections, and videos focusing on steels, regulations, and selection criteria. But from today onward, KNS Outdoor will no longer be solely about knives. For several years now, I have occasionally featured flashlights, binoculars, survival gear, rugged smartphones for adventurers, and various accessories for outdoor activities. These topics have always been close to my interests, and I now wish to give them greater prominence. So, I'm going to expand the channel's content to encompass the wider outdoor world. Field equipment, hiking, nature observation, bivouacking, practical gear for outdoor activities, as well as some areas I've been involved in for a long time, like landscape and wildlife photography and videography. This is probably one of the areas I know best and that I've somewhat neglected in recent years. While recently going through my old photo and video archives, I came across many projects I'd done in nature. It reminded me how much I loved spending time observing, photographing, and filming wildlife and landscapes. I want to bring that dimension back more into my video work. I think these different themes are complementary and coherent. They will also allow me to vary the topics more, rediscover my motivation, and offer you more diverse content. Of course, it's possible that this new approach won't be as successful as I hope. Only time will tell. But rather than letting the channel get stuck in a routine or gradually lose its momentum, or even slowly die out, I prefer to try this evolution. A quick technical note as well: since the end of 2025, I've been publishing my videos with multiple audio tracks to allow for automatic translation into different languages. For the moment, the results are still very limited in terms of international audience, but I'll continue to experiment with these features, hoping they'll become more effective in the future. Regarding upcoming videos, my goal remains the same: to present you with interesting, practical, and high-performing equipment, while continuing to produce the highest quality videos possible. I also hope to film more outdoors, especially in the mountains and in wide-open natural spaces. These are environments I particularly enjoy and which offer an ideal setting for testing equipment in the field. Producing this type of content requires a lot of time, video and computer equipment, extensive travel, and a significant personal investment. That's why developing the channel remains essential to continuing to produce these kinds of videos under the best possible conditions. That's all for now. I hope you'll like this new direction and enjoy following its evolution. Thank you for your loyalty, your support, and your many messages over the years. See you soon, and until then, take care.